Hello everyone, I'm Dylan Kennedy, and today I'm going to be telling you why I've chosen to major in electrical engineering with a concentration in communications. Now let me ask you this. If you have a puzzle with no picture, you don't see the picture on it at all, would you be able to solve that puzzle? The answer is yes, you could solve the puzzle. However, knowing what that picture is makes it significantly easier in solving that puzzle. When it comes to electronics, your product, your end result, that's what the picture looks like at the end of the puzzle. Knowing how that product works is a large step on the way to understanding the big picture of electronics. Through my experience as an electronics technician, I've learned that there are three key traits that technicians possess that provide a direct gateway to understanding engineering concepts so they become engineers. Those traits are technical proficiency, creative thinking skills, and strict self-discipline. Now to start off, what would a technician's proficiency, which is based on troubleshooting, have to do at all with understanding the basics of engineering, which is mostly book knowledge? Technicians have seen electronics in action, and they're familiar with how to read schematics and technical publications. They understand what to look for if equipment is not working properly or if a product is working correctly. Just knowing how to find the information in the schematics and technical publications is half the battle of trying to figure out what you can do to create a new product. Moving on, let's get this straight. Engineers are typically math and science wizards. Why would they need creative thinking skills if the next product is just a formula away? Engineers start off by setting their eyes on a target, that end goal, the puzzle piece we're talking about. Those targets are not always attainable through common practices. For example, physical requirements may be limited for a product you're trying to make. This is primarily exemplified by cell phones or microelectronics. Also, the parts you're supposed to use may be too expensive. For example, prefabricated circuit cards or computer chips, CPUs, are usually fairly expensive. Now on to my last discussion point. Engineers need to pay very close attention to what is simply impossible for their products to accomplish. This is where strict discipline and attention to detail comes into play. Safety standards are prevalent throughout the industry, and attention to those safety standards in compliance for your products is key. This could cause fatal injuries in your product's users if not paid close enough attention to. A prime example of this is the Challenger space shuttle accident, which blew up upon launch, while the engineers mentioned that there is a big problem with the O-rings. So in conclusion, a technician's practical experience is more than just a gateway to becoming an engineer. These traits are very difficult to get for most jobs or internships, even at some of the most important technology companies. The experiences I've had as a technician have taught me some of the fundamentals that will set me up for success in the field of electrical engineering, especially when concentrating in communications. I hope you've learned something in this lesson today, and I look forward to watching your speeches as well. Thank you.